Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google partner company. I've been working with Google Ads from 2012, and it's more than 12 to 13 years of experience with this Google Ads stuff, and been in SEO from 2005. So I have a lot of digital marketing experience. So which is why I am here with an amazing, interesting video regarding how to write compelling search ads for your Google Ads, or write an amazing creative ads or compelling ad, which is going to win the heart of the Google. So I will do a step-by-step detail on this and how you can win it, and I will tell you some of the points which I have written for you guys to make your ad interesting and compelling one. I know that your search ad is an important factor, and that is how you are going to convince your visitor to land on your website. And you know that in case if your ad is good, you are also going to get high CTR, and high CTR makes sure that you're going to pay less for your ads due to the Google quality score based algorithm, which prefer those ads which have high quality scores, and they have to pay much less even than the competitors. And I have seen cases where we were able to pay even 10 times lower than our competitor just because our CTR was high. And that because our CTR was high, we were getting more clicks as compared to our competitors. So Google don't like those ads which do not get much clicks. So because we were getting more clicks, which is why that place was also become profitable for Google. So now to write compelling ads, first of all, I'm going to show some ads, and then we're going to discuss, and then I'm going to tell you how to write an amazing compelling Google search ads. So let's say if I search over here, web hosting online. Okay, I'm going to search something new over here, doctors near me. I'm going to search restaurants near me. I'm going to search rooftop uh, services in New York, and I'm gonna search over here plumber in New York. Okay, I'm gonna see some ads. I'm gonna discuss around them. Okay, first of all, for this web hosting online, this is the few of the ads. If you look around on those ads, you need to understand what is taking your interest. This ad is good, but this ad has this logo inside, so the logo is generating the interest of the user. Plus deal 70% off, so this is an extension, so this also gathers the interest. And this is, yeah, just an okay ad, but this ad is also okay. Even if I look around over here, this ad got a deal running right now, has a pricing in the headline. So if we look around on those, we figured out that the attractive headline needs to be the point number one in the ad. So I'm going to write over here, and then I'm going to discuss an attractive headline that is going to win, because this $1 per month grabs my eyes. But this doesn't work with everyone. There are some people who are not price conscious and quality conscious, so for them not work with everyone. We need to understand. And in this, we looked around that the logo extension is very good, so I'm going to write the points over here, like the logo extension is good. Number third point which I liked over here is the deal extension running right now, that grabs attention. So I'm going to write those points over here to see what makes an interesting and amazing ad. Now here, no, I didn't find, so I'm going to write over here doctors in New York, maybe to find something good. So these are general doctor ads. Just average ads. I was not able to find anything over here. Let me search lawyers in New York. I'm just trying to figure out what's an okay. The picture, like the logo, wins the heart. Okay, okay. So I'm also searching over here restaurants in New York to figure out if I see. I'm just trying to figure out any ad which grabs my attention. We need to create an ad, which grabs attention. Okay, rooftop services, again the logo is good, that grabs attention, but I'm looking for something different, which is going to make your ad very, very attractive. And now in plumber category, you can see general ads running right now. Okay, so now how to win the attention of the customers. We got some points with this, but I'm going to tell you step by step on how you can win. But before I tell you, I wrote the 3 points, and number one is attractive headline, low extension, deal extensions, and definitely ads that catches the eye interest. I'm gonna make you an ad as well, and eye interest, uh, and make your CTR high, because high CTR means improved quality score and lower, uh, you know, uh, the CPC. But before writing a compelling ad, we need to figure out why we need a compelling ad. A good ad can help you in reducing your cost, fulfilling user expectations for which they came on, improve your brand image, grab people attention. These are few of the things, which is why you need a good compelling ad. And then your ad should have few things, like highlight your unique selling proposition. You need to have CTS, call to actions, better call it CTA, which grabs the user attention, encourage customers to take actions, have limited time deals, and then match your ad to the landing page. The landing page, people have certain expectations when they click on the ad, and if the expectations, if you are showing something in your ad doesn't actually fulfill with the landing page, the people are going to be disappointed. For instance, if we do not get a free domain, we are going to be disappointed. So now, I'm going to show you an amazing how to write, you know amazing compelling compelling. I'm not good with spelling. Compelling eye catchy Google ads, Google search ads. Okay, so this is a tool, Keroya. You can use it, and this is an average ad like we have seen over here. Okay, this is an average ad. But what if I work around and add this advertiser rating in your ad? Does this sound your ad more interesting? Does it win your heart? Yes or no? Yes, it means that this is a good extension. Likewise, we discussed over here, in extensions, we figured out we need to have attractive headline, logo extension, deal extension. So let's say, I'm going to add price extension over here, like this. Does it help or no? Does it help or no? We need to figure out, okay, if this helps, the price, it wins the heart. What if I add the call extension with this? Okay, like call us, what if I add side link extensions on it? What if I remove this and I add the structured snippet, and or what if I add the location extension, which wins the customer's trust by, if you are providing your real address to them, people get more authenticity with it. So what, okay, these helps you. So having good ad extensions, grabs the consumer eye. So this is very important. Now coming to the most important part, and that is, you can see over here now the how catchy this ad line is. Okay, but to make it more, having an attractive headline. Now how you need to have an attractive headlines? Okay, you can add pricing depending upon your niche or the keyword you're targeting. You can have something which brings curiosity, in case, if you are a lawyer, best lawyers in New York. Okay, now you may be saying, it doesn't work because you do not have, any credentials to verify, so we can have something like this: preferred New York lawyer, 100 plus case studies. Let us help you with legal issues. Okay, again I recommend, let us help you your legal issues. Okay, I can have, okay, again I believe that every keyword should have a different ad, but this is a one of a kind of a perfect ad. Numbers attracts you, so something like this, create something compelling. Look around your competitor ads, web, if I'm writing, web hosting, and if it's my niche is web hosting, and if this is one of the catchy sign for them, they're starting at $2.95 per month. So we can have something like at dollar 2.95, something like uh, okay, you can also use chat gpt to make it a more compelling, and make it more attractive, and gives you more attention. But again, I'm not saying you to do the copy paste, but rather something which grabs the attention, and which wins the consumer heart. So if I'm gonna say to it that write a compelling Google search ad copy for lawyer in London with high CTA and pricing. Let me see what can. Okay. So I like this line: expert in criminal, civil, and family law. I can have this affordable pricing and flexible payment options. I like this thing in over here, affordable pricing and planning right now. Book your consultation now. We can add something like, we look forward for your calls, and have something like, need legal help, our team delivers results. You know, we can divide into second line or third line, something like this. So that is how you make an ad. And again, I'm not saying you to copy all this, but look around what your competitors are saying. First is over here, I'm gonna look around, the lawyers, and like the free consultation 24/7 is very interesting, tempting thing. Now I can add this one as well. Need legal help, free consultation 24/7. Okay, okay, I can have this one. Okay, something like this. Have it over here, and like this. Okay, so now this is how you create an amazing, awesome, compelling ads. I know that you could have more ideas, more work can be done, and in case if you're looking for a professional help, do hire us. Me, I have ample of copywriters and professional staff with me who can help you in creating an amazing, awesome Google search ad copies. Plus we're going to help you in optimizing, auditing your Google ads campaigns, setup, and with management. So in case if you're looking for a professional help, do hire us through the link in the description. And in case if you like this video, make sure to like and share this video, and you can also subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, so that whenever I get a video like this, you guys get a notification regarding. Once again, thank you for watching. I hope it answered your question, but still, in case you have any question left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.